Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure passive income with OfferUp, full guide step by step clearly. Start by creating an OfferUp account if you haven't already. Download the OfferUp app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and click on Sign Up. You can register using your email, phone number, or social media accounts. Once registered, set up your profile by adding a profile picture and a bio. This helps buyers trust you as a seller. Navigate to the home page and explore listings to understand the market. Identify popular items that sell well in your area. Look for categories like electronics, furniture, or clothing. Source items either by decluttering your own home or purchasing undervalued products. Visit local thrift stores, garage sales, or clearance sections to find deals. Once you have your items, take high-quality photos. Ensure good lighting in multiple angles to showcase the item. Write clear and detailed descriptions for each of your listings. Highlight the item's features, condition, and any relevant details. Set a competitive price based on your local market research. You can use OfferUp's pricing tool for guidance. List your items on the app by clicking the Post button. Choose the appropriate category and upload your photos and descriptions. Monitor your listings for inquiries or offers from potential buyers. Respond promptly to messages to encourage quick sales. Once an item sells, arrange a safe meeting place for the transaction. Consider public locations for greater safety during exchanges. Deliver excellent customer service to encourage positive reviews. Ask buyers to leave feedback after a transaction. Reinvest your profits into sourcing more items to sell. Constantly look for trends and adjust your inventory accordingly. Promote your listings on social media for increased visibility. Consider bundling similar items for value deals to attract more buyers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.